Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Sonos app to set up home theater with Arc step by step clearly. To download the Sonos app, start by unlocking your smartphone or tablet. Open the App Store if you are using an iOS device. If you are on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Sonos. Press the search button to see the results. Locate the Sonos app from the list of results. Tap on the app icon to open its page. Look for the download or install button. Tap the button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, the app icon will appear on your home screen. Open the Sonos app by tapping the icon. You may be prompted to allow notifications. Choose your preference. Follow the on-screen prompts to create an account or log in if you already have one. Ensure your Sonos Arc is connected to power and placed in your desired location. The app will guide you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter the password if necessary. Once connected, the app will search for your Sonos Arc. After detecting the Arc, follow the instructions to complete the setup process. Customize your audio settings as desired. Once setup is complete, you can start enjoying your home theater experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.